Hey everybody, it's that time again, time for Darrell's Monday Market Report. You'll probably see this video a little late. I'm waiting on AT&T to get fiber installed in my neighborhood. My connection's really slow, and since I moved to the iPhone from the GoPro, it's taking longer for the video to process, but hopefully that'll be fixed here very soon. So this week in all of Collin County, we're down quite a bit because it's holiday season. Last week, there were about 817 properties in various states from being new to the market to being under contract. But this week, we're at 456. That's down 366 from last week, not to be unexpected with 2 days where people were not putting homes on the market. And a lot of people weren't looking, but a lot of people were, I can tell you, because I had 2 listings that went under contract right before this. So, and buyers are out looking, there's multiple offers going on. So if you think the activity slows as far as on the property you put on the market, it really is not anymore. It's not the traditional market of the past here. I say this again every week, 365 people move in here a day. That trend continues. And that will help keep demand, but those rates at some point, like I've said, will affect what you're going to get as an end price for your home at some point. We hope they don't go up quickly. I want sellers to get the best bang for the buck and buyers also. So in all of Collin County this week, we had 72 new properties hit the market or had a price change. We had 101 that went under contract, 81 that went pending, 29 that sold. In Allen, 8 new properties hit the market or had a price change. We had 9 that went under contract, 4 that went pending, 18 that sold. Lucas, nothing new to the market this week. We had 3 that went under contract, nothing went pending, and 1 that sold. Parker this week, only 1 new property to the market or had a price change. We had 2 under contract, nothing went pending, and 1 that sold. Fairview, no activity this week, so if you're thinking of selling in Fairview, probably a great week to think about putting it on the market. Only 1 holiday this week. Well, some people take off New Year's Eve. This week, in our big 3 markets, as you would expect, activity is way down. But this week, Plano's number 1 at 88 with properties being new to the market or under contract. Mckinney came in number 2 at 87. Frisco number 3 at 75. So you can see those numbers are a lot closer this week than normal. In Plano, 10 new properties hit the market or had a price change this week. We had 21 that went under contract, 30 that went pending, and 37 properties that sold. Mckinney had 18 new properties hit the market or had a price change. We had 21 that went under contract, 13 that went pending, and 35 that sold. You notice the homes that come onto the market and solds are almost double. So that tells you how quickly inventory disappears. So we're a low inventory market. I have people calling me from California every day asking what can I find. In the $1.5 million price range, you used to be able to find a lot of stuff with a lot of acreage. Hoping somebody now can't find that. Look, not for what they're looking for, but I'm working on it. If you know anybody that's looking to sell on acreage, 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, let me know. That's within an hour of Dallas. Frisco this week had 10 new properties hit the market or had a price change. We had 17 that went under contract, 15 that went pending, and 33 that sold. Melisa this week, 2 new properties hit the market or had a price change. We had 2 go under contract, 3 that went pending, and 7 that sold. Look at that. Over 3 times the number that hit the market sold. Princeton had 5 new properties hit the market and had a price change. We had 9 that went under contract, 4 that went pending, and 19 that sold. And Princeton, again, has a lot of new construction, so some of those numbers will get skewed, especially the solds or the under contracts. Wylie had 10 new properties hit the market or had a price change, 3 that went under contract, 4 that went pending, and 10 that sold. Lavon, one of our smaller areas, 2 new properties hit the market or had a price change. We had nothing go under contract, 5 that went pending, and 5 that sold. Anna had 4 new properties hit the market or had a price change. We had 3 that went pending, 3 under contract, and 11 that sold. Farmersville, 2 new properties hit the market or had a price change. We had 2 that went under contract. 2 went under contract, 1 that went pending, and 3 that sold. Last but not least, as always, Van Alstyne, 1 new property hit the market or had a price change. We had 4 go under contract, nothing went pending, and 4 that sold. Hope you're having a great week. Of course, this is the last market report of 2021. Look forward to seeing you next Monday in 2022. Have a great weekend and Happy New Year.